Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MLDS AI Projects. Today I am going to explain you a flight delay prediction project which predicts the delay of flight and the actual departure of the flight. Transportation has revolutionized how we travel, offering various modes to suit individual budget and needs. Among these, air travel stands out of its speed, allowing people to reach their destination quickly. However, ensuring time arrival is crucial for travelers. To address this, we have developed a flight delay prediction system. This system utilizes machine learning, especially the random forest regressor, trained on the flight takeoff dataset which is available from Kaggle. This dataset consists of 23 columns and 28,820 rows, including features such as day, month, operating carrier, and weather conditions. The random forest regressor gave an accuracy of 75% with a mean square error of 1438. Integrating into a user-friendly interface developed using Flask Framework. This system allows passenger to register and enter his flight details like traveling date, schedule time and destination airport. The system airport authority verifies the ticket request, checks the flight status and predicts delay using the weather condition and other relevant parameters. Users or the passengers are promptly informed of any delay along with the updated departure time, ensuring a smooth and stress-free travel experience. The objectives of this project are to build a machine learning regressor model which can accurately predict the time delay and departure time of the flight. Through EDA, the relationship between the variables, distributions, and the diversity are studied. The models that should be used to achieve better results are suggested by the EDA. Features considering only the useful parameters from the raw data and passing to the models. Deployed the model into the web application which will display the user with the delay time and actual departure time of the flight. We have also done the literature survey which we have considered 6 papers that are published in the IEEE and which are latest. Among them, the first literature survey we have done on research on flight arrival delay prediction based on support vector machine. This paper was published in 2022, implemented using random forest for predicting the arrival delay, which gave an accuracy of 90%. And the second paper was machine learning model based prediction of flight delay, which was published in 2020, and these implemented two algorithms, that is XGBoost and linear regressor, where they have considered only XGBoost model which gave an accuracy of 94.2%. And the third paper was predicting flight delay with error calculation using machine learning classifier, which was published in 2020. Implementation of multiple algorithms such as logistic regression, decision tree regressor, Bayesian ridge, random forest regressor, and gradient boosting regressor for predicting the flight is delayed or not. And the other published papers links are in the description below. The basic flow diagram of our project are data collection, data preprocessing, EDA, model selection, validation of that model, and deploying the model with a user interface. This is the flow of our project. The features of our project are user face is built using Flask Framework with Python, which makes the user to interact with the system environment easily. There is a registration page where the new passenger has to register and can use login to his home page by passing the ticket details such as traveling date, Carrier name, scheduled time, and destination airport, the user or the passenger requests the authority to check the status of the flight. The authority is displayed with all the requests that have been made by the multiple passengers or the users. Based on each request, the corresponding weather condition at that moment and other parameters including the passenger's ticket details and are passed to the model. The model predicts the delay time and actual departure time of that flight, which includes the delay time also, and displays the actual departure time of the flight. This is the login page and the user home after the predicting the delay of the flight. The basic system requirements are Python 3.10 and above version, PyCharm IDE or Virtual Studio. Hardware requirements are 4 GB RAM, and the UI requirements are Flask Framework, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Bootstrap version 5 and MySQL database. Here I am using Virtual Studio to show you the user interface. This is the home page of our recommendation system. Initially, the new passenger has to register himself by clicking on the new user. By entering the required details, he has to register. Have successfully registered. Let me give another user so that I can give multiple tickets request. Here I am considering another name. I am considering 3 passengers. I have successfully registered with the 3 passengers. Let me log in. Here for the first passenger, the user home will be displayed like this, where he has to enter his flight ticket details. Traveling date and the carrier name and the scheduled time of that flight. So I am giving 5 o'clock, that is PM, and the destination airport I am giving Dallas. Here you can see that the status of our ticket, for the delay we have raised a ticket for checking is there any delay or not. So let me create one more ticket with the name Ravi. The user home will be same. I'm giving it tomorrow's trip. Random destination airport. Here one more ticket has been raised where the status is pending. I am logging out and I am going with the 3rd passenger, that is Sai. I am logging in. The user interface is same. I am raising another ticket. the current date, it's Sky West Airlines, and the scheduled time is 10 a.m., 10:30. Some random time, I'm passing some random time, 10:26 p.m. with random destination airport. Here I have raised a ticket, first checking there is any delay or not. So now the passengers are requested to check the flight delay or not. So here is the admin module, where the admin will check, authority will check the raised tickets, and check for the delay. This is the home page for the authority, where they can find that multiple tickets have been raised. Okay, so initially I am using the first one, where passenger name is Hari Prasad and status is pending, and on the action predict will redirect him to the new page where the current conditions of that flight are considered for checking if there is any delay or not. By passing these features, they can check is there any delay in the flight or not. I am giving random values. By clicking on the get info, the authority will get there is any delay in minutes in the flight, that is 1 hour 27 minutes delay, and the actual departure of that flight is 18:27, which is 6:27 in 24 hours format. So this will be passed to the user, who is Hari Prasad, in his user home, where the status is updated as checked, and for the authority the action is completed, where he can't again check the status of that flight. Similarly, I'll be checking the delay for the user Ravi and Sai. Here you can see that there is a delay of 2 hours 31 minutes, and the actual departure of that flight is 9:31, which is early morning 9:31. You can see for the second request the status is checked and the action is completed. Similarly, for the third ticket, it will be the same process. Here you can see that there is a delay of 1 hour 20 minutes, and the actual departure of that flight is 23:46, which is 11:46. Here you can see that all the ticket actions have been completed and the status has been checked. So to verify them, we can log into the users for the passenger logins. So let us check for the hurry, the username. Here you can see that the table has been updated with the status checked, which was pending initially, and the delay time of 1 hour 27 minutes and departure time of 18:27, where the schedule time was 17, where you can see that after adding the 17 hours with a delay time of 1 hour 27, the departure time is results as 18:27. So let's check the other two passengers. For Ravi, similarly you can see that the status is checked. The delay time is 2 hours 31 minutes, the actual schedule time is 7, and the departure time has been changed to 9:31. Here you can raise another ticket if a user if a passenger wants. Let's check for the Sai. Similarly for the Sai, the schedule time was 22:26 and the status has been changed to checked, and the delay time is 1 hour 20 minutes, and we changed to departure time at 23:46. So this is how a passenger gives his ticket details and request the authority to check the status of the flight if there is any delay or not, where the authority uses the passengers ticket details along with the weather conditions and other parameters that are required to check whether the flight is delayed or not at that moment. If there are any changes you want me to do in this project, you can comment down in the comment section, and the abstract is also available in the description. If you guys want us to build a project for you, you can give us your details by filling the Google form which is available in the description link, by giving the respective details as project name if there is an abstract that is available for your project name, and the other details such as number or email address to get into touch with you for building this project. Thank you.